Come to system setup. Trial setting.
Okay.
Trial password 1234. Therefore 1 2 3 4 means we can set 5 different time. Like one password we set it 1D. The second password we set it 4D. That is the function. Usually we only need to set only one group of password. Like this one, the first group of password. The default password is 0. But please do remember what you set for the password. Like we set the password 1, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is the password. Please do remember it well. Do remember it well. Then press OK. Come to the time. I think the unit is D. So we set it 12 days or 2 days or 7 days. It can work 7 days. To press OK. Do remember the password we set 1 2 3 4 5 6 8. Press OK. Then press OK. Then press cancel. You must restart the system after setting the trial setting. So reboot. Now we check again. Trial setting, password. If we enter, okay, we don't know, 1 2 3, whatever. So please do remember well the password. Don't forget it.